Despite facing problems like a slow recovery from the pandemic, conflicts, and high living costs, some countries are doing really well economically. Today, let's look at the top 10 countries that are not just surviving, but actually thriving against all odds. Number 10. Philippines. The Philippines is a country in Southeast Asia with beautiful beaches and tasty fruits like mangoes and peppers. In 2024, its economy is expected to grow by 6.2%, making it one of the fastest growing in the region. This growth is because more people are buying things in the country, and there are more jobs in the business process outsourcing industry. Also, the country is investing in things like roads and buildings. More tourists are visiting, and people who work abroad are sending money back home. Number 9. Mongolia. Mongolia has a cool nomad way of life and cool places like big mountains and the big Gobi Desert. It's a surprising place. Mongolia has lots of minerals and it's expected to grow by 6.5% this year. This growth is because of big mining projects, selling more of stuff to other countries, and government rules that help businesses. Mining, especially for coal, copper, and gold, is a big part of Mongolia's money making, and it's probably a big reason for the expected growth. Also, the country is trying to do more things to make money and make the roads and stuff better, which is also helping the economy growth. Number 8. India. India is a place with lots of culture and old stories. It's big and famous for being a democracy. People know it's for having many different religions, big mountains called the Himalayas, and food that's really spicy. India's economy keeps getting bigger, growing by 6.7% every year. That's faster than most other big countries. Many things help make the economy grow, like people spending more money, the government making big changes, and lots of people working in jobs. India is also getting into new kinds of technology, like computers and clean energy, and getting money from other countries to help. One thing that's made a big difference is how people pay for things. There's something called UPI that lets people pay for stuff really quickly and safely. It's made paying for things easier and faster, which helps the economy grow. India's economy looks like it's going to keep getting bigger. People are spending more money and companies are investing in new things. The government keeps making changes to help the economy grow. India is becoming really important in the world economy, and it doesn't seem like that's going to stop anytime soon. Number 7. Rwanda. A small country in Africa doesn't have any sea around it. It's hilly and has good soil for farming. More than 13 million people live there. Rwanda wants to be richer by 2035 and even richer by 2050. The country's economy is doing well, growing by about 6.9%. People call Rwanda the Singapore of Africa because it's developing fast, investing in things like technology and healthcare. More tourists are visiting, and new farming methods are helping Rwanda grow more of its own food. Rwanda's story is about changing a lot and having leaders who plan for the future. Number 6. Libya. Libya is a big country in North Africa. It has a long coastline by the Mediterranean Sea and a huge desert called the Sahara. The capital city, Tripoli, has more than 1 million people living there. Libya had many fights in the past, but now its economy is getting better. Experts think it will grow by 7.8%. This is because the country is making more oil and getting help from other countries to build things like roads and building. Most of Libya's money comes from selling oil and gas to other countries. So it's important to watch Libya as it works to make its economy stronger. Number 5. Senegal. Senegal is a country in West Africa with a beautiful coastline by the ocean. It's known for being democratic and respected among Islamic nations. Senegal isn't just pretty to look at, it's also becoming a big deal in Africa's economy. Lots of people visit Senegal because of its lovely beaches and interesting history. They bring money which helps the country grow. Senegal is finding more oil and gas, which will make its economy even stronger in the future. Even the IMF thinks Senegal economy might grow a bit slower because of delays in getting oil and gas. Senegal is still doing well. It's improving farming and building things like roads and bridges. This makes it easier to get around and attract people who want to invest money in Senegal. Number 4. Niger. Niger is a country in West Africa. It doesn't have any coastlines, so it's surrounded by land. In the north, there are huge deserts called the Sahara Desert, and in the middle, there are a big river called the Niger River. Niger's economy is growing really fast by 11.1%. They have a lot of uranium, which is super important for making energy in nuclear power plants. because the world needs more energy. Niger is starting to use its uranium to make money. Big companies from other countries are investing in Niger to help them use the uranium, which is making Niger economy bigger and better. Niger is not just focusing on one thing. The government is smartly spreading its investments to make the economy stronger. They are putting effort into farming and using more solar power. Number 3. Palau. Palau is a stunning island nation. Is doing really well economically. Experts think its economy will grow by a huge 12.4%. This is great news for Palau and its people. Picture clear blue water, amazing coral reefs, and a strong focus on eco-friendly tourism. That's why Palau is becoming so successful. Lots of people are visiting this group of island in Micronesia for a fancy vacation and to be close to nature. This is helping Palau's economy grow a lot. But it's important that tourism are careful. Palau is leading the way in being eco-friendly, making sure the beautiful places that bring in tourists stay safe for a long time. Number 2. Macau. Macau is a cool city in Asia, often called the Vegas of Asia. It's growing super fast. The experts say its economy will grow by a huge 27.2% this year. Last year it jumped by a massive 74.4%. That means Macau's economy is getting twice as big. But it's not just about casinos anymore. Macau is getting smarter. It's investing in high-tech stuff and becoming a big deal in finance around the world. This smart move is bringing in lots of talented people and new ideas, making Macau even cooler. You know what's even more amazing? Macau is only 2% the place on the list of fastest growing economies. It's like a mix of fun tourism and super cool technology, and that's why Macau's economy is exploding. Number 1. Guyana, the only English-speaking country in South America. There are lots of rainforest and mix of Caribbean culture. Even though it's not talked about much, Guyana is about to have a big jump in its economy. They found a ton of oil, which is making their economy much better. Before, they thought the economy would grow by 26.6%, but now they expect it to grow by 33.9%. The fastest in all of Latin America and the Caribbean. With all this new money, Guyana is investing in things like roads, schools, and hospitals to make the country better for future. Subscribe now to explore the beauty and join us this journey of growth and discovery.